Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show how do I using Google Drive. For the first time, we need internet connection. In this video, I am using Windows 11 operating system for Microsoft and I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, for the first, we click or open browser Microsoft Edge. Then you can, if you don't know what do you typing, you can search from Google. You can type google.com, then enter. In search, you can type Google Drive like this, then enter. Then you can click on the top search. Okay, for the first time, if you don't have account, you can create an account for Google. It's free. Or if you have a Google account, you just sign in. But I have Google account, so I just input my Google account. For the first time, email input, then click next, and we can input a password. So next, we sign in to Google Drive. Okay, like this. This is a Google Drive. For the top is logo Google Drive. Then this is information. Yes, this is my drive, and here for searching the content of Google Drive of your files. Then yes, we have 15 gigabytes storage. It's cool. Then this is a Google Drive. Thanks for watching this video. I'm so sorry if for my bad English. Then we can see together on the other video. Thanks. Bye.